Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jaydeep Bhaskar and I am Assistant Professor at Sanjeevani College of Engineering, Kopargaon in the Department of Mechanical Engineering. This channel is designed to help you to understand and master the subject theory of machine. My goal is to make your learning experience engaging, simple and effective. Whether you are attending classes or preparing for exams, these videos will serve as a great resource to supplement your studies. So let's start. Let's see the course object. So objective of our course is to make the student conversant with the kinematic analysis of mechanisms applied in the real life and industrial applications. Second, to develop the competency to analyze the velocity and acceleration in mechanisms using analytical and graphical method. To develop the competency to analyze the velocity and acceleration in mechanisms using graphical approach. Fourth, to develop the skill to propose and synthesize the mechanisms using analytical techniques. Fifth, to develop the competency to understand and apply the principle of gear theory to design various applications. Sixth, to develop competency to design a cam profile for various followers. So, in our subject, we are having total 6 units. And as per the 6th unit, we have decided our course objective. To make the student conversant with the kinematic analysis, that means we have to understand the basics of mechanism, fundamentals of mechanism. Second is nothing but to find out velocity and acceleration of mechanism using an analytical method. That means we have to actually use the equations over there for slider crank mechanism and other types of mechanism. In third case, again we are going to do the analysis of velocity and acceleration, but using graphical method. That means we have to go for graphical approach over here. We have to actually draw the diagrams, velocity polygons, acceleration polygons. Then we can find out the velocity and acceleration by using those polygons multiplied by the scale. In fourth course objective, we have to propose and synthesize the mechanism. So synthesis is exactly opposite to that of the analysis. We will see this in the fourth. Fifth, to develop the competency to understand and apply principle of gear theory and various applications. In this case, we have to study different gear trains, planetary gear systems, etc. Sixth is to develop the competency to design a cam profile. So here we have to do the study of cam, and so these are our 6 course objectives which are dependent on the 6 number of units in our syllabus. So let's see the course outcome of our subject. So after completion of this course, learner will be able to identify mechanisms in the real life application. That means we can identify which kind of mechanism it is or which basic mechanism is working under a particular machine, that we can identify. Then we can apply kinematic analysis to simple mechanisms. That means we can find out some velocities and acceleration of those mechanisms. To determine velocity and acceleration by using graphical method, we can do that also. Then we can synthesize a 4-bar mechanism with analytical method. That means for a particular velocity and acceleration, what should be the lengths of our paths or links that we can identify. Then design cam profile for a follower motion. We can design the cam for a particular kind of profile. What should be the sizes, what should be the displacement diagram, that we can identify. Then apply fundamentals of gear theory as a prerequisite for gear design. Here we can find out number of teeth and diameter of gear to get a particular velocity ratio. So today we have seen the introduction, then course objective of the subject, and then course outcome of the subject. So we come to know that from this subject what we are going to learn exactly. In the next lecture, we are going to start with the fundamentals of the mechanism. Thank you.